check it out. I got the FliteTest Power Pack F. This is for the minis. This is the single motor system for the FliteTest minis, and this is the upgraded and improved Power Pack F, and it comes with a new Emax motor, and this Emax motor is better than the other one by, let's see here, at 12 point, I'll show pictures. So what you get in the package is you get 4 FliteTest 5-gram servos, and they actually don't weigh 5 grams, they actually weigh 4.3 grams. You get 4 of those, and to quickly show you how small they are, that is how small they are. This is for, like I said, the minis for FliteTest, and I'm very excited about this. Because I saw this, I didn't order it from FliteTest, like a lot of people probably do. I found it in my local hobby shop. Hobby Town, or I think that's what it is. So, okay, so you get your 4 servos. Sweet. You get your servo control wire extenders. I think you get 4 extenders here, and 1 Y for ailerons and whatever else you need. You get 2 propellers, and these are Emax propellers. These are 60/40s, 60/30s. They're 60/30s. Yep, 6-inch prop. And let's go back to the motor. The Emax motor is, this is the better, I think, package. So you get your motor, you get your Allen chuck key, which is a good Allen key because it's got the pivot head on it, so you can do it at an angle, and it's better. It comes with extra screws, long screws, short screws for mounting. I believe somewhere in here is a bushing. Yeah, here's a bushing or a collar or spacer or a buffer for the motor, or damper, or whatever it is. That did not come with this. It also comes with the screws for the elevons and ailerons. These are the pivoting screws. I believe that's what these are. You get a couple screwdrivers that are FliteTest issue. And they've got FliteTest on the handle and on the end of the handle. This is just an Allen and Phillips. Also, you get an ESC, which is a BL Heli, 12 amp. Very nice. And you get the battery bag. That's pretty cool. I didn't have one of these before. I would have bought this kit without the battery bag in there. So what a great addition to the Power Pack F for the minis FliteTest. I can't wait to put this stuff on a Delta wing that I built, and hopefully, you know, have some successful flights. That was a tongue twister. Yeah, as you've seen in some of my other videos, I'm not such a great RC pilot, but I'm learning, and I like trying. So, and I've built several planes at this point. So we're gonna keep going with it, and I don't know, keep tuning into the videos. And, you know, I'm gonna try to keep doing more reviews on these products that I've been buying a lot of. I've been buying so much stuff lately. Man, what a fun sport. And thank you, FliteTest, for doing awesome things. You know, I was out of the RC realm for a while, and I got back into it. And a few months ago, I was trying to get parts for my old receiver and transmitter. You know, I went to the hobby shop. I was like, yeah, I need to get some new radio crystals, and they just kind of like laughed at me because I got this controller with a 5-foot antenna on it, which there's nothing really wrong with it. I just can't find parts for it. So whatever. I went digital, and I'm glad I did for the small investment I put into it. Man, the great controllers for nothing. It's amazing the technology you can get for the price nowadays. Like all this awesome stuff from FliteTest. What a great package you guys put together. Thanks for making this your thing, FliteTest. This is great. Thank you. All right. You guys have a great day. Bye. Thanks for tuning in.